Hello everyone, welcome to your informate. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video we'll talk about stock market, okay? So before starting, I want to tell you that I'm providing you the genuine information. If the information seems helpful, then please keep watching the video till last. One more thing, if you are liking my videos, then please support me, share the video, like and comment. So let's start. So first of all, let's talk about what is stock market. So stock market is a place where you can earn potentially higher revenue by investing your money in stocks. It is totally depends upon country's economy and RBI's rule and regulation. In the other words, it also be called as the public market that exists for issuing, buying and selling stocks that trade on a stock exchange or over the counter. So there's a question that why should you invest in stock market? Okay, simply the reason you should invest in stocks because it gives you an opportunity to get high money exchange of your investment. It has a lot more advantages and disadvantages that we'll talk further. So now what thing you should take care of before investing? Okay, so first of all, I'll advise you to learn something more about share market by your own. Okay, so first thing you must keep on your mind that buy only those stocks that you have studied about. Okay, increase and develop the capacity of taking risks because it is not important that or necessary that you will be benefited all the time. Suppose if you give up 10% up, then maybe you could go minus 50% down. So keep it on your mind. Now there's a one more tip that you should keep in mind is understanding your investment goals. So the number one, make each goal clear and specific. Okay, number two, frame each goals so that you know what you have achieved. You would need to take practical action to achieve your goal. Decide or determine whether your goals relate to your life and are realistic. Okay, so now the last thing, why should you know how does it work? Okay, so how does it work? Okay, so first of all, there are two types of share market in India especially. Okay, so one is primary and secondary markets. So first we need to understand what is primary and what is secondary, then you will you will be able to understand that how does it work. Okay, so what is primary share market? It is a market that companies register themselves to issue their shares and raise money. Okay, this process is also known as listing on the stock exchange. The purpose of entering into the primary market is to raise money, and if the company is selling their shares for the very first time, it is referred to as the initial public offering, IPO. Through this process, the company becomes a public identity. Okay. Now, secondary market. The shares of a company are traded in the secondary market once the new securities are sold in the primary market. So this way investor can exit by selling their shares. These transactions that take place in the secondary market are called trades. It involves the activity of investors buying from each other and selling amongst themselves at an agreed upon price. A broker is an intermediary that facilitates these transactions. Okay, so the how the share market work. Okay, the let's suppose a stock is precisely a platform that conducts the trading of financial instruments like stocks and derivatives. The activities on this platform are regulated by the Security and Exchange Board of India. The participants have to register with SEBI and the stock exchange in order to conduct trade. Trading activities includes brokering, issuing of share by company. I hope I have provided you enough information. If you have if you still have any query, then you could join me at my social media handle. Thank you. I will provide you the links of my social media accounts in the video's description. Thank you for listening me and watching with the video. We'll meet soon with another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Have a good day.